Hello children, how are you all today? So today I'm going to take up a new very fresh lesson. You know the freshness comes from the where? From the air. Yes, exactly. From the fresh air we will be going to start our fresh lesson. The world of plants. Get set, go. So children, you might have seen in your surroundings a very different types of plants, isn't it? Different types of leaves of the plants. Some are different in size, some are smaller in size, some have flowers, some don't have flowers, isn't it? Yes, exactly. So we will learn today different types of plants. So before I start, let me recite this poem. I dig a hole and plant a seed, cover it with earth and pull a weed. Down comes the rain and out comes the sun. Up grows my plant. Oh, what a fun, isn't it? You also have a fun, isn't it? When you plant a seed, once what you do, you plant a seed, you dig a hole and you plant a seed, and when you give the plant to us, you give plant to water it and keep it in the sun, like how it grows. It will be very fun seeing it. You enjoy it, how the plants, how the leaves, small leaves comes out, and how the after that a flower grows, isn't it? You will enjoy it once you do one experiment, isn't it? You will really feel very wonderful. So here when we go around also, you can see a colorful all around the greenery and all, isn't it? Some are fruit giving plants, some are vegetable plants, some are just flowers and all. See here, a man is taking the children to a park, and there he can see all around the grass and all trees, and all the fruits and all here, isn't it? This all things makes the world wonderful, children. It makes colorful, different colorful leaves, different colorful flowers and all. You will enjoy it. So we will see the plants around us. There are different types of plants, children. We have different shapes also, different sizes also, isn't it? You can see a very small plant. This is the cactus. It's a very small plant, children, and a very long tree. You will say not a plant. For smaller in size we can say plant, but when they are very larger in size, very tall and all, when you have to say there are trees. You cannot say plants to them. Okay, plants have medium size, very small sizes. Okay, in here big plants and all, we call it as trees. They are very tall, and their trunk, this is the trunk, children. You see, this is a trunk. Okay, we call this as a trunk. This trunk is very strong. It is tall and strong, whereas in the plants you don't see a tall trunk here. There are different stems here, and they are very not that much strong. Okay, here in the trees you can say it as, we can see neem tree, mango tree, pine tree, a very big strong trees. Okay, now some plants are very weak, children. It cannot stand by themselves. Why? Because they have a very weak stem. They need someone to support it. Okay, when you feel very weak, you take a support of someone, isn't it? So here also the plants, they are so much weak. The stems are so weak that they cannot stand by themselves. They need some support. Some keep sticks over here, or some tie the knots and pull over to the wall and all, isn't it? You can see such as money plant is there, for example, a very common example of climbers and all. Money plant, grapevine, sweet pea, beans. So these plants are called as climbers. Climbers means they cannot stand by themselves. They need a support to stand. Okay, children. So we have learned different types of plants here. This is the plant, rose plant, a cactus plant. Now we have learned about trees. We have learned about climbers, isn't it? Now next come to different patterns of leaves, children. You might have just go around of your own garden itself only, or else you can see in your fridge itself only. You have different types of leaves and all in the fridge, like cariapak, or else mint leaves, or coriander leaves. You just see the pattern of that leaves and all, how different they are in different sizes, different pattern. That the pattern of the leaf will be different, children. Like some leaves, if you come around and see the banana leaf, when you compare to banana leaf, you can see the neem leaf, how different, god, how differently it has been created, children. See the pattern, see the drawing, the structure of the leaf, how it is, how beautifully it has been created, children. You can see the lotus leaf also, isn't it? Yes, the banana leaf, the lotus leaves, not only these leaves, but every leaf is different. Every plant leaf is different. Some are smaller, some are larger, some are big. Okay, now thorns. What are thorns, children? Thorns, exactly. When you go to a rose plant, if you want to pluck that rose plant, what will happen? Suddenly you will get a thorn will come, and you get stuck in that thorn, isn't it? See this one, smaller, they are very sharp, children. So these are called thorns. When you see to a cactus also, see all this one are thorns. Some plants have thorns, for example rose plant, cactus, and all this and all are having thorns. Now this boy is telling that plants such as also grow in water, it seems. What are those plants? Water lily and lotus. So these two plants, they need only itself water only. They don't need soil and all to grow. They just need water, so they will grow. They are called water plants. Okay, children. Now, how do plants grow, children? What do they need? Yes, they need water, they need sunlight, they need air, fresh air. So they need all these three things to grow, isn't it? Some plants give us flowers, some plants give us fruit, some plants give us vegetables. So isn't it? Every plant give us something or the other. Okay, a very beautiful flowers, they will give us very beautiful flowers. Some give a very beautiful very sweet fruits. Some plants give us, isn't it? Some plants give us a very vegetables, isn't it? So this is how the plants grow, isn't it? Now let me show how the plants grow here. See, when you dig a soil and put a seed inside the soil, when you water it daily, and you keep it in the sunlight, in a fresh air, slowly what will happen? A very small leaves comes out. A baby plant comes out. You call it as a baby plant. A seed grows into a baby plant, children. Okay, when we give air, water and sunshine, what will happen? The baby plant tries to grow, and after that it will give leaves and all, a very big leaves it will give. Afterwards it will give the flower. So like this, the step by step the plant grows. Okay, children, did you understand the world, how many different types of plants we have here, different types of fruits we have, different types of seeds we have here, isn't it? You are seeing here, see how many seeds fruits have. See the mango fruit, when you cut the fruit, you will have a seed inside it. Okay, when pea also, here under it you have a seed. When you cut the apple also, you will find the seed. Many fruits will have seed inside them. See the papaya, all the black things and all seeds. See tomato plant, tomato fruit, here also it is under seeds. When you keep these seeds into, dig a soil and keep all this in a soil and water it, what will happen? A baby plant grows from it. Okay, children, if you want to try it, you can try it at home also. You can see it. Okay, children, and most plants grow from the seeds, isn't it? There are for many kinds, children. Seeds are of many kinds. See, this is rajma, this is rice, this is pea, wheat, gram. All these are seeds. Corn, exactly. Corn is also a seed. Okay. Once what you do is, today after seeing this video, you just go and try it out, children. Take any of these seeds and all, any of the, if you have any, if you have seed, if you have any fruit in your home, you can take that seed and you can grow it in the soil and just see daily you can water it, daily you can see how you will have a fun, you will enjoy it, how the baby plant comes out of the soil and all. You will really enjoy it, children. Just seeing this only, watching this only, you will know how the tree, how the plant comes out. Okay, children, if you like this video, children, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.